I've always got canned tuna in my pantry along with pasta, and with these two ingredients you can make so many different dishes. This one's my go-to at the moment, particularly when I have a zucchini on standby. There's something about cooking zucchini down low and slow in olive oil that makes it super creamy. So you can finely slice this with a knife, but I want to get these paper thin. And when I say paper thin, you can almost see through the zucchini. It just means they're going to cook faster. So this mandolin is a great option. Because it's zucchini, it's very easy to do. You'll only need one zucchini for this dish. You can see how many slices we get just from the one. Fantastic. All right, hot pan. We're going to add a generous amount of extra virgin olive oil. Talking 3 tablespoons of oil. And then in with the zucchini first. I don't want to add my garlic yet. I want to get this sort of soft and caramelised, so we'll just turn that heat up and then we can add it so it doesn't burn. 2 cloves of garlic for this recipe. I'm just going to bruise, then just chop up. I love chilli in it. Some don't, so you can leave it out if you like. I'm going to use about half of this. I'll take the seeds out just so it's not too hot, and then we'll also finely chop it. The garlic and the chilli, they're going to go in at the same time. Another ingredient I always have on standby at my house are capers. They offer the salty brininess to any type of dish, great with zucchini too. Let's go have a look at these zucchini, give them a toss, really coat them in all of that oil. I'll add some salt too, a few handfuls of cherry tomatoes, and we'll just half them. That's why we love Italian food so much. Just all very basic ingredients brought together. It's all about getting the sauce right and not overcooking the pasta. Back to our zucchini. See how we've got some caramelised slices? Really soft, it's sizzling away, really breaking down. That's what we're after. Fantastic. Okay, now it's time to add our garlic, our chilli. Capers can go in. Even the tomatoes can start to blister up in that hot oil. We'll add some more salt. This is almost ready, so now it's time to add our pasta to the water. I prefer you to undercook your pasta and add it to this sauce, then add some of the starchy water, than to overcook the pasta in the water at this stage. Nothing worse than overcooked pasta. So in there, along with a pinch of salt, we'll give that a quick stir. That's going to take about 7 to 8 minutes, and we can bring the whole dish together. Right, my pasta is moments away from being ready, so let's finish the sauce with our tuna. We'll just flake the tuna in, about 200 grams, what we're after. It's going to give it a lovely meaty flavour. Our parsley can go in, a knob of butter, just using a slotted spoon. I'm going to bring my pan over to my pot and we'll add our little spirals. You can see that I'm just adding some of that starchy water. In fact, I'm going to add a little more. 2 spoonfuls is good. And it's all about the toss and the agitation of the pan now. So the olive oil and the creaminess of the zucchini is just going to blend nicely with that starchy water and form a beautiful sauce. See how it's already starting to thicken there? That's what we're after. I love lots of lemon zest for this. Tuna, lemon, fantastic. And some may not agree with this, but I will be adding some parmesan. Tuna and parmesan I think is okay, particularly for a pantry style pasta like this. It works. Heat off, one last little toss, and that is super delicious. Big spoonful into a bowl. See how that zucchini is completely broken down? That's what we're after. And those tomatoes, they're still holding their shape, but the rawness is out of them. That is my tuna and zucchini pasta. This is a standout dish. All basic ingredients, maximum flavour. Let's have a taste. So good.